Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have an admin account and a current backup. This prevents lockouts if something goes wrong. Once done, make sure you've noted your current region, language, time zone, and keyboard layout so you can restore settings if needed. Now open Settings or Control Panel on older systems and navigate to Region or Time and Language. Make sure no apps are running that could override changes, and disconnect external keyboards or VPNs that might interfere. You should change the region entry first because formats cascade into language and clock settings. Select the target country and update date, time, and measurement preferences. Next, add the desired language pack and download optional features like speech and typing if you need them. Once the language is installed, set it as the display language and select the correct keyboard layout to avoid typing errors. Make sure to reboot after these installs so resource files register properly with the OS. To finish, verify your App Store region and any payment or billing info so downloads and purchases work seamlessly. Also check the system locale for legacy apps and enable location services if apps depend on geolocation. If apps still show old settings, sign out of accounts and sign back in, clear caches and temporary files, and, if necessary, reinstall the language pack and reboot. If you hit permission errors, confirm admin rights and run the Settings app as administrator before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.